What is going on, guys? I stopped at Walmart just the other day and came across the latest Hot Wheels Monster Jam Mystery Trucks Series 4, which adds 8 more trucks to the collection. I was lucky enough that it was an unopened box, so I was able to get all 8 trucks in the set. So today we're going to open up this brand new set and see which trucks come in the latest Series 4. So there we have it, guys. Those are all 8 trucks in the latest Hot Wheels Monster Jam Mystery Trucks Series 4. My favorite has to be the Megalodon Shark, but let me know your favorite in the comments below. And if you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon with more new Hot Wheels.